Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the PLEXTONE xMowi RX3 Gaming Earphones. So let's begin the unboxing video. So here is the parcel of the RX3. First of all, I want to thank PLEXTONE for sending this review product. So let's just open the parcel. If you want to buy this product, I will put the buying link in the video description as well as a coupon code which you can apply to get some money off on your purchase. Anyways, opening the seal, here we have another box, so let's just open it. So nice packaging by the seller, and I think that's enough. Yep. And here we have our xMowi RX3 Gaming Earphones. So putting that aside, a small sleek box. So yes, first of all, let's see the look of the box. Here we have the xMowi logo. Here we have the actual earphones. They have a detachable mic, which is a real cool feature about these earphones. Most of the earphones in the market don't have this feature. Anyways, RX3 dual microphones gaming headset, detachable HD long mic. Again, it has a detachable mic along with two mics. So where I'm going to show you the second mic when we're going to open up. Here on the side, RX3 dual microphone gaming headset, so it's mainly focusing on gamers. So we're going to test this microphone when I'm going to play PUBG as well, its response time and its surround sound options. So here you can see, and we got it in different languages. So we're just going to cut open the seal and see inside the box. Think that should do the trick. Yep. Or maybe a little more. Here we go. So pretty nice packaging again. Moving this plastic wrapping, and here we are going to just simply open the box and let's see what's the content inside this box. So we got this little plastic and we're going to move it out. So here the box is empty. Let's see. So first of all, we're going to have our voucher for warranty card. So here you're going to have your warranty card, you're going to have your user manual. If you want to read it, you can do so. Here we have a bag of other things, so let's open this up as well. So here you got your shirt tie if you want to tie the earphones with your shirt, etc. You're going to have 4 silicone earpieces or earbuds, so you can change the size of these earbuds if they are not connecting properly on your ear. You can use this in different sizes. And here you got a little cable tie as well. If the camera can focus on it, it's really small. So yeah, here you go. And putting these small things aside, here we have another connector as well, if you can see. So this connector is going to be used if you're going to connect these earphones with a laptop or PC. As you know, laptop and PC need to have one microphone input and 3.5mm jack. So here we're going to have one microphone input. Here is the one, and the other is your earphones jack, and the other side will be connected to your earphones. If you want to use it with your Xbox, PlayStation or mobile, you can directly connect them. So it is compatible with all of these different devices. Here you got your HD detachable mic, as you can see. And last but not least, our RX3 gaming earphones. So we got the green color, which is actually really cool, the green and the black combo. So let's just open it. Here we go. So here we have it. So pretty good length of a cable for the earphones. Here we got this sleek design so that it doesn't come off from your ear. And here you're going to have your detachable mic port as well. So if you want to connect this mic, it's pretty simple. Just connect it to it right here. Here you go. And here your mic is going to be connected, and you can bend it accordingly as you require. So we're going to have two microphones. First of all is this detachable one, which is mostly going to be used when you're gaming, so that your fellows can hear you quite easily and clearly. And the other microphone is here. So other than the second microphone, here you're going to have a switch to attend or reject calls, etc, etc, as well as a volume up and down key. So for the build quality, they are pretty great and decent according to their price point. So we got this quite flexible kind of cable, and we got our 3.5mm jack on the other side, which you can connect to your PlayStation controller, Xbox or PC using the jack, and to your smartphones as well. And here we got our detachable mic, which is fully plastic. We got these plastic speaker covering, and we got our silicone cups as ear cups as well. So this is really cool that they come with different size ear cups. We got one here and two other pairs as well, so you can connect the best which fits to you according to your need. So as far as the ergonomics are concerned, you can easily place them on their ear without any problem or issue thanks to their unique design. Also, you can replace the ear cups as well if they don't fit on your ear or they don't give you a perfect fit. I have used these earphones while playing PUBG Mobile, and I would say that they are working really nice as their price is concerned. Like, you're not going to have many earphones available in the market that perform really good according to their price point. While playing, you're going to feel that whether the enemy is coming from the right, behind, or from somewhere else. Like, you're going to have that surround sound kind of feel which you normally get in many expensive earphones, earbuds or wireless earphones. So that's really good that they're providing. And also, due to their second mic, it's really easy for my teammates to hear me without having any distortion around it. So overall, the quality is good of these RX3 gaming earphones. We got good quality cable, pretty good length of a cable, and the sound quality is also very good according to their price point. As compared to other headphones or earphones in the market, their sound quality is pretty good, along with the functionality of a detachable mic, which is really cool. The only problem with these earphones is, as I told you before, that this length is really short. Like, you got this connector which you cannot extend or close it, so that's the only downside. PLEXTONE should increase the length of this opening wire to somewhat like this, so it would be much more easier for the users, as some users have larger faces as compared to others. But overall, the build quality is great. Again, I will put the buying link in the video description and a coupon code to so that you can save some money. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Thank you for watching and stay safe.